say it's simple property damage, you know you're still liable for that, right? You're liable for everything that comes out the barrel of that gun, not to mention lives that are lost. So that's why this is important. And that's all I wanted y'all to see was see that. Sure. You want to try it again?
Sure.
Okay.
Don't worry about what's going to happen. If you've got proper grip and stance, the gun ain't going anywhere. So once again, in the real world, this is what it's like.
Okay.
Ain't gonna be no time to stand there and right. But that's what I wanted to show you. I'm me personally, I'm not upset that you didn't shoot, and because you what I wanted you to see is all that stuff that we took time to put together. Right, we put together two-handed grip, stance, sight picture, sight alignment, and then a good trigger press. We took like a full 60 seconds to do that.
Right.
In the real world, you're gonna have to put it all together in a split second and get your shots off, and you gotta be on target. So that's why training is important, right? How many people do you think right now are walking around out there with a gun, hadn't done none of this, and we hadn't even got to the good stuff.